It's so windy. I wish we were... What is that?
What did it say? The story. I'm just gonna let it sit here.
I wish we were in Richmond. The sirens would probably be going off.
It didn't say a severe storm advisory on my phone.
It did. It said there was a severe thunderstorm watch. Whoa, look over there. Whoa. Okay, these are like 50-mile-an-hour winds, at least. Wow, look over there. It's like a hurricane. You can feel the wind coming from below my...
The lady across the street, she's casually walking.
Nothing's going on. No storm. Well, holy crap, look at that tree. It's about to fall. Whoa. It's like, whoa. Jesus. Oh my God, these trees are about to fall.
When I was in the bathroom, I was like, we should have gone to the park or something so we could search for some ghosts there. I wonder what they would say.
I kind of did want to go to the park because I knew it was going to storm. Because we got a severe thunderstorm watch.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Holy crap, it's getting so dark.
Well, it is getting nighttime.
I know, but even if it was nighttime, it wouldn't... Why are they still mowing their lawn? What?
Yo, ghosts. If you are a ghost, I don't know. There might be all kinds of weird characters out there. Why you have to be a ghost? You need ghost races. So,
Oh, at first I thought the power went out. I was like, holy crap.
supernatural entity. Don't open that.
Don't open.
Hey, Freon.
Yep.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
Here. Go put this into the emergency box that's in there.
Emergency box?
It's in the